Mirabook tutorial video. How to charge, use the keyboard and touch panel. If you would like to use the same keyboard input as on a Windows computer, you need to download the IME for a Japanese conversion to your smartphone. The recommended IME is Wun Keyboard Lab. The control key for Mirabook is the key printed with CTRL on the bottom left. The Mirabook logo X is the command key. The caps lock key is marked with a key. The double arrow key is the tab key. The screen brightness can be adjusted with F11 and F12 keys. You can also use the on-off key to shut down Mirabook. Mirabook offers multi-finger touchpad technology that recognizes 2- and 3-finger gestures. Use a dedicated power adapter or a product that supports USB power delivery of 45 watts or more. The maximum recognition capacity of a smartphone is 512 gigabytes. It is confirmed that Mirabook is also able to support this capacity. Laptops? No, I have Mirabook.